share the sports news of Chitrakoota. At Chitrakoota, sports is picking up its rhythm. Children are excelling in different sports. On 22nd July 2022, Vahe Global Academy had organized an inter-school volleyball and throwball tournament. After sweating on the ground day in and day out, volleyball players of our school have made us proud in their first attempt. Here goes the list of the players and under 16, actually 12 teams had participated, in which our children reached the semi-finals, and under 14, 10 teams had participated and our children are the runners-up. This was possible with our dedicated sports teachers and the students who worked in tandem to reach these positions. Let us hear the applause coming out for our children. I request Joyita ma'am to do the honors.